Next up, Holt Town. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to find the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates. Let's do it. This is in the tier 4 zone all the way down here to the west. First up, we'll start at the rift anchor that's marked on the map. Starting from here, we'll activate it, and then we'll head directly down into this building that we're on top of. The easiest place to get up here is from the hill around the east of it. So heading into this building here, you can see a bit of loot inside already, but downstairs and to the right, you should find in one of these areas. Climb on top of the wall is usually the easiest way to see what's going on here. This over here, which is the weapons crate. There we go. Fantastic. Now, just heading back over the wall, you'll find an elevator here that we can enter on the southern side of this. Hitting it, we've opened it. We can then head down, and at the top over here, if we head over to the far southern side over here, on this table, you'll find a spot to investigate, and you'll pick up a card from the table. This is what we need to continue as you are locked in this building. We'll head over here and hit F to activate. Bam, there we go. Now, inside of here, to the back left, you'll find the mystic crate. So we'll activate this, and this is the loot that I got from it. Then from here, we'll need to find an elevator and head upstairs. So this is the north side of this little room. Not too much in here, but we should be able to head up, activating the elevator. When the elevator stops, you can take a left out of it and head down this carpeted passageway all the way to the very end, just heading straight and following the carpet. At the very end of this passage, you'll find a loot box, which is a Morphic box, nothing too crazy in it. And in the room just to the right here at the end of the passage, snapping, you'll find this over here, the gear crate. Fantastic. Grabbing it, this is what we got from it. Then heading out from here, you'll find at this lonely house just down the hill. You'll find this building over here, and around the far side of it, near the chain link fence, you'll find the gear crate. So there we go. Then heading back up, if you want some bonus items, you'll find just down here at these southern buildings, an elite over here, a Star Walker. Should be pretty easy to get done, especially if you have a cover. Then just underneath them, you'll find the weapon crate right over here in the palm. Continuing west from here, over this patch of grass, you should find somewhere here. There we go. This little rift, heading through it. We'll get a next one. We'll get another one down here. Then yet another one. And now we get a bonus mystical crate, which should be worth picking up. Finally, if you'd like a recipe, you'll find it in this building on the far northwest side of the town. Over here by this cafe, just inside, on the table to the left over here, you'll find a red thing, and it should be a recipe for mixed fried hot dogs. Fantastic. Then, if you'd like it, just to the north, right about here, you should find the Morphic crate. It's a really strange spot, not too sure how you're supposed to guess it. But anyways, you'll also find this Sinner Sentry, little mini area boss that you can get rid of. Kind of difficult actually. I just haven't fought this before. And there we go, 700 XP, not bad. We also get this as a reward. Okay, so heading a bit further northeast from here, there's no signs that there's something going on here. You should eventually find, there we go, just pressing Q a couple of times, this Morphic crate over here, exactly in this spot. Very in the middle of nowhere, but it's worthwhile coming here as we can get a bunch of loot from it, such as this. Fantastic. Anyways, that's really it for this area. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.